Hi, I'm Dave,
And I'm MJ.
and we love
Keto.
Okay, today's episode is going to be about stir fry. We're going to do a keto-friendly stir fry. I like vegetables, and we're going to throw some chicken in there.
And I love Chinese food. So this is our keto-friendly Chinese food dinner.
Yeah.
You don't have to have all that sugar stuff, and you can have it all be keto-friendly.
All right, let's get to it. Okay, let's get started on this keto-friendly Chinese stir fry. Yum. All right, let's start with the chicken. Let's put a little oil in here. Need some of that fat. Nice hot pan. By the way, this pan is a Pampered Chef stir fry, a wok, and I will put a link to it in the description below, as well as up in the card. So if you want to get this a fabulous pan, I love it. If you want to get this pan, you can just click on that link and order. All right, I'm going to add some.
As a matter of fact, I got that for you for Christmas.
Oh, that's right. It was my Christmas present. A little salt, pepper. Okay, let's let that cook for a minute. I'm gonna add a little garlic powder in here, as I like garlic in mine. You can add what you like in yours. All right, it's getting pretty close. After this chicken's done, we're gonna take it out and saute up the onions and peppers and all the other vegetables. All right, let's let that cook for a while. Alright, this is pretty close to being done. Just want to finish this off with a little bit of sesame oil. I like some of that flavor of the sesame in there. Toss this around. Alright. Okay, onto the veggies. Pan is hot. I put a little more oil in. I'm gonna add some of these great veggies. There's three different kinds of, three different colors of peppers, onions, and broccoli. Told you it's hot. Like seeing all those different colors. Part of eating is, first thing you do is you see the food, and that's what makes you want to eat it. That as well as the smell of it. And right now it's smelling good. So while it's cooking, I want to show you this instead of
This is the perfect replacement for soy sauce because I am gluten-free. I have an allergy to gluten. I'm not celiac, but I am allergic to gluten and have been gluten-free for many years. And Bragg's liquid aminos are the perfect replacement for soy sauce. You can eat Chinese food, you pour this on there, and think you're eating real, authentic Chinese food.
and it's yeah, it tastes just like it. It tastes just like soy sauce, but it's a heck of a lot better for you.
And it's gluten-free.
Yep, and it's gluten-free. I'll put this up a little bit more. Okay. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth in here. Helps make the broth a little bit of a sauce. All right, let's let that go. I want to salt and pepper this first though. That soy sauce is gonna, or the liquid aminos, Bragg's liquid aminos, are gonna add some sodium into it, some salt into it, so I don't want to put too much salt. And again, just like with the meat, I want to put some garlic powder in there. One more stir and we'll let it cook up. Okay, that's looking pretty good now, so I am going to add some of that liquid amino acids. Give it that soy sauce flavor. And I'm also going to add in the chicken. Yeah, it's even got that soy sauce smell to it. A little bit more of the sesame oil. And there's no carbs in the sesame oil, if anyone's wondering. The only carbs you're going to get out of this meal is going to be the veggies, as well as the rice. And wait till you see a little later on when we make the rice. There's a special surprise there. All right, I'm going to give it 2 more minutes, and then we're going to take it out of the pan and start the rice. All right, I'm gonna make the rice now. I'm gonna use peanut oil for the rice, just to give it a little bit of a different flavor. The rice we're using today is cauliflower rice.
Whoa.
It's riced cauliflower. I'm sure you've all heard of riced cauliflower. This happens to be a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see it that well. But these are a little bit thicker than some of the other ones I've seen.
Chunkier.
Yep. So we're gonna add in with that cook. Coat those kernels. Want some onion powder in this?
How hot is your burner?
And garlic powder. It's up on high. Yep, the burner is on high. Electric stove, so if you get a gas stove, I don't know, I kind of like gas better than electric, but electric works just fine.
That's what we have.
All right. I'm also going to put a little bit of chicken broth in there. It's going to help with the steam a little bit.
Show us your favorite chicken broth.
Well, this is my favorite chicken broth.
Collagen.
It's collagen chicken broth. This does not have any carbohydrates in it as well.
He's very picky. That is his favorite chicken broth.
All right, let's let that steam for a little bit. All right, just been cooking for a few minutes and looks like it's pretty good here. Let's transfer this to a serving bowl. Okay, shut that burner off. We're done cooking. All we got to do now is eat it. So that's how the rice came out. Should be good.
And now we are ready to serve. We have our soy sauce replacement. We have our rice, which is really cauliflower. And we have our stir-fried veggies. We're gonna start with the rice. Who doesn't love rice? This is healthy rice. We have our crispy vegetables made expertly by Dave here.
On top.
With our, okay, you like yours on top. I like mine on the side.
That's good.
Made in our Pampered Chef wok. Sold by my favorite Pampered Chef consultant, Barbara Hendrickson. The link will be below in the comments.
In the description.
Thank you.
And also, I want to take a minute to just say, if you got some value out of this, please like the video. And also, if you like the video, then why not consider hitting the subscribe button as well?
Hey, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the YouTube video.
And then, after you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications when we have our next video. Now, this is the best part of the whole thing, is now we can taste this and let you know what it tastes like. It really does taste like Chinese food. Like we went to an Asian restaurant and purchased something from there. It's delicious. All keto, crispy broccoli is just...
Ciao.
You want some of that?
I do.
All right, let's get it on.
You want some?
Yeah, I sure do. See ya.
Cool.
Bye.
Hey, give me a kiss.